Miro Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Miro Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience using Miro, a top-rated collaborative online whiteboard platform, and share details about their affiliate program. Be sure to check the description for the links to everything mentioned in this review. Miro is a powerful platform designed to help teams collaborate, brainstorm, and plan visually in real time. It offers a flexible, easy-to-use interface that allows you to create, organize, and share mind maps, flowcharts, diagrams, and more. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Miro provides all the tools you need to bring your teams together, even when working remotely. Features like infinite canvas, real-time collaboration, integrations with tools like Slack and Google Drive, and robust templates make it a great choice for teams looking to streamline their workflows and enhance creativity. Now let's talk about the Miro Affiliate Program. The Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for marketers, content creators, and influencers to earn commissions by referring others to Miro's platform. It's perfect for those who target businesses, teams, educators, and professionals who need a flexible collaboration tool. The program offers generous commissions on paid signups and even recurring revenue from subscriptions, making it a great choice for building passive income. Miro's affiliate dashboard is user-friendly, providing you with everything you need to track your earnings, performance, and referrals. They offer high-converting promotional materials, including banners and links, which makes it easy to get started. Additionally, their 30-day cookie duration ensures you get credit for referrals, even if a potential customer takes a little time to sign up after clicking your link. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affiliate program in the collaboration and productivity space, the Miro Affiliate Program is a fantastic choice. With a great product, high commissions, and user-friendly tools to help you promote Miro, it's a win-win. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today. Thanks for watching.